In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export CMS collections to CSV in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and make sure you are in the main designer view where you can access your site content and settings easily. Once your project is open, look over to the left-hand toolbar and find the CMS icon. This is where all of your collection-based content is organized, including things like blog posts, events, projects, or any other CMS collections you've created for your site. Go ahead and click that CMS icon to open the panel. After the CMS panel appears, you will see a list of the collections available in your project. From here, click the specific CMS collection that you want to export. For example, this could be your blog posts collection, an events collection, or a projects collection. The important thing is to make sure you select the exact collection you want, because Webflow exports one collection at a time. This helps keep your data organized and makes it easier to work with later in spreadsheet software or other tools. Once you are inside the collection, move your attention to the top right area of the panel. You should see an export button in the header section. Click that export button to begin the process. At this point, Webflow will automatically generate a standard CSV file for that collection. A CSV file is a simple spreadsheet-style format that makes it easy to review, back up, or transfer your CMS content. When the export is ready, click Download CSV to save the file directly to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download immediately to your default downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose where you want to save it. If you are planning to edit or review the file, it can be helpful to save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.